You've probably seen so-called prompt experts claiming that using ChatGPT effectively requires complex engineering skills. Well, I'm here to debunk that myth and show you just how accessible and user-friendly ChatGPT can be. Lao Tzu, the great Chinese philosopher, once said, "Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to prompt and you feed him for a lifetime." Start with a clear and concise question or statement and let the conversation flow from there. Ask for suggestions, clarifications, or additional information as needed. The more you communicate with ChatGPT, the better it becomes at understanding your needs and providing the desired output. Remember, you don't need to be an engineer to use ChatGPT effectively. The real secret is learning to communicate naturally with the AI. By doing so, you'll find that crafting the perfect prompt becomes a breeze. So, don't waste time memorizing specific prompts for each task. Instead, focus on developing a conversation with ChatGPT to get the results you want. Mastering ChatGPT is all about embracing its user-friendly design and understanding that it's here to make your life easier, not more complicated. Happy prompting!